Stainless steel Farmhouse Apron double bowl kitchen sink by Mowa. This double bowl sink is made of 16 gauge stainless steel. This material makes it a contender for the most durable farmhouse sink. One of the issues with stainless steel sinks is they can be loud. Cutlery will make annoying sounds when you clean in a steel sink, and it can be annoying. The stainless steel Farmhouse Apron double bowl kitchen sink by Mowa, however, is noise insulated with a 3mm extra thick cushion pad to minimize any potential clanging. With the Skins double basin, you can do your cleaning faster. Place your dirty dishes in one basin and clean them in the other. You'll be done in no time. The deep basins also allow you to clean larger utensils without any problems. This farmhouse sink will look great in your kitchen. Buying it will see you receive some free accessories as well. They include 2 deluxe 3.5-inch drains, 2 sets of 3-piece basket strainers, and a set of 50/50 scratch prevention stainless steel bottom grid. The mounting hardware and manual for easy installation are also included.